What's up people, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your name on YouTube. This tutorial, just like all of my other ones, is going to be very quick and very easy and straight to the point, so let's just jump right into it. Alright, so the first step to changing your name on YouTube is obviously just to sign into YouTube, and once you're signed in, you're going to click up here on your icon. Then it's going to give you this drop down here, and you're going to click on settings. Now once you're in your settings, you're going to see edit on Google and advanced. So this is actually how we're going to change our name. So if you click on edit on Google, that will actually change it for YouTube and everything else that you're associated with your Google Plus profile. So if you read here, it says changing your name here will change it on all Google products, just like I just said. So if you change your name here, it's going to change it on Google products, which would be your YouTube channel. So you can change it here, and then once you click on OK, it might take a couple of minutes to actually register on YouTube. Sometimes it is instant. For me, when I changed it, it was instant. As soon as I went back and I refreshed the page, it showed my new name here. And that's pretty much it on how you change your name. You could go one step further. I believe this option is only available if you have more than 100 subscribers. I'm not too sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. But if you click on advanced, you can actually change your own custom URL. So if you were to type in youtube.com/your YouTube username that you just changed, it'll take you right to your channel page. You can really put whatever you'd like there. It doesn't matter. Your YouTube name is going to be whatever it is that you set on Google Plus. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Just like I said, it's very quick, very easy. I just thought I should make this video since I just changed my name and I couldn't figure out how to change my name because I didn't know that editing it on Google would actually change my name for YouTube. So there you have it. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, all that normal shit, and I'll catch you guys next time with the next video, gameplay, tutorial, whatever.